This is the all-new Floodlight Model 2 by Zeus CCTV. It has a more modern and sleek design, weighs about 50% less, and has more advanced features than our original. Today I'm going to show you how it works and how to set it up. The Model 2 is powered by any standard E26 light socket, like an outdoor floodlight or an indoor lamp. Power to the Model 2 is ultimately controlled by your indoor light switch, but you can control the floodlight LEDs by using your phone. The Model 2 comes equipped with a 1080p HDR high-resolution camera coupled with an app that supports an ultra-wide panoramic view and a 360-degree rotation for a better overall viewing experience than any other similar cameras on the market. The greatest thing about the Model 2 is the fact that you'll never have to run ugly cables around your house, install an NVR or DVR system in a dedicated spot, or spend hours or even days trying to hide all those ugly wires, because the Model 2 is as easy as screwing in a light bulb. The Model 2 connects to your home Wi-Fi router, so before you begin, make sure your phone is connected to your home Wi-Fi router, make sure it's a 2.4 GHz network, and you know the password. Twist your Model 2 into an indoor lamp that is easy to reach and turn on the power. You'll see a quick blink to indicate it's getting power. After a few seconds, you'll hear the camera speak.
System starting up. Wait to be configured.
Now open the app and press the plus sign to add a new camera. Press Wi-Fi camera and press next on the following two pages. Enter your Wi-Fi password and the app will connect to your Wi-Fi network. Next, the app will display a QR code and ask you to hold your phone in front of the camera lens. You don't necessarily have to do this. It will work with standing just a few feet away, but wait about 20 or 30 seconds and you'll hear the camera speak twice again.
Connecting. Please wait. Connect to router successfully.
Next, you will create and confirm a password. It must be at least 8 characters and contain an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, and a number. For example, I'm using Zeus 2023 with a capital Z. Then you will be asked to name your camera. The next page will ask if you want to record continuously or by motion. If you want to enable notifications, leave alarm push on. Now your camera is set up. When viewing your camera live, you can rotate the view 360 degrees to help level the angle. You can also zoom in and zoom out and move the viewable area to where you want it. If you press the light bulb icon, you can control the floodlight's LEDs. The Model 2 has a daylight sensor that will automatically turn the floodlight LEDs off during the day unless it is set to on mode. We suggest testing these different settings during the day and night to get more familiar with how they work. If you press the dome icon, you can cycle through the different view settings. These are helpful after spending some time getting familiar with them as well. To access the settings menu, press the gear icon at the top right. Be careful when changing any settings, proceed with caution. The Model 2 has the ability to speak through the camera by pressing the microphone icon. You can also listen through the camera by pressing the speaker icon. To view recordings, press local record. You will need an SD card installed to record video. There are 2 different ways to view the recordings. Practice makes perfect. So spend some time learning how to navigate through the record settings. The Model 2 is mainly designed to work in an outdoor floodlight fixture, but with a little creativity, you can use them for other applications, like at your front door, to monitor who comes and goes, monitor packages, and also to communicate with who is on the other side.
Me?
What do you want?
Come inside.
You can use them in can light settings to monitor a storage room or other rooms that's hard to add a camera to. You can install them in the lamps to use them as an intercom.
It's almost time for school.
You can use them to monitor your garage or other entrances. You can install them practically anywhere that has a light socket nearby to cover blind spots that your current camera system may have, or other areas where you just don't have the ability to run wires or add a camera to. When installing and operating your camera, there are really 3 main tips. You don't want to install your camera in a light fixture that has a daylight or a motion sensor. This may interfere with power going to your camera. You don't want to leave the floodlights on during the day. It may cause it to overheat, and if you can, you want to install your camera underneath an awning or a canopy to protect it from the weather. When switching power on from the off position, it will turn the camera on, but the LEDs will remain off. To turn the LEDs on, you can switch the power off and back on within 3 seconds. Turning the light switch off and leaving it off for more than 3 seconds will reset the camera to normal mode, where when you turn it on, the camera will power up, but the LEDs will remain off. To find out more and to purchase a Model 2, you can go to Amazon or eBay and search Zeus CCTV, go to our website, ZeusCCTV.com, or give us a call at 770-638-8888. Thank you.